Hey, this will be a video chart on the NASDAQ. Don't really do this one too much, but nonetheless, I still get requests that trickle in for it. And I can't remember the last time I've done it, so I want to get this one updated. And also point out something that has caught my eye and is making me a little bit kind of being risk conservative here now, seeing what's transpiring. I'll get to that in a little bit. One note, if you look over here, you will see these numbers fluctuating. The market's still open. It is 3:17 p.m. Eastern Time, so we still have over half an hour left in the day. But from the perspective, or for what I want to talk about in the video, it doesn't really matter what happens today. I'm talking about more of a kind of weekly type thing rather than just this particular day. So real quick, just like all the other markets, we went through this correction here. I don't even know if correction, that might not be the right word. Basically just a pullback. Profit takers got out, and then when we broke up out of the channel right here, the rest is history. Price has essentially been going up ever since. But that's where we kind of reached the past couple weeks action. Maybe more so just a week and a half. You can see that we haven't really been going up anymore. Just simply been putting in this sideways pattern here. And there's not that there's anything wrong with that, but when I pull up one of the indicators, you'll kind of see why I'm getting a little antsy for this upcoming week and probably the next few weeks. But looking here at the RSI 5, let me just kind of draw out what's going on. So like I pointed out, we had the sideways action occurring, which is fine and dandy. Price action just kind of channeling sideways. However, when you combine this same period with this indicator down here, you can see it's in a downtrend. So this is what we would call a negative divergence, meaning the price is going sideways. However, this indicator is trending down. If we pull up stochastics, you can see same thing. Indicator and trending down while the price action is going sideways. An RSI 2 on a shorter level, same thing. But RSI 5, RSI 2 is more for just day traders. RSI 5 is a little bit better. And then if you look at the CCI also, you can see that despite putting in higher highs, when the price was putting higher highs, this was actually trending downwards. So it's not just the RSI 5, but many of the indicators have the negative divergence going on. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is that indicators are just formulas based on price action and volume. The most purest of all indicators is simply price action. The second purest is volume. All other indicators are just mathematical formulas of those two indicators. So yes, it's saying negative divergence. Does this mean that it's 110% sure going to pull back? No, there's nothing like that obviously exists in the market. But does it give you kind of a little heads up warning that you should take note of? Absolutely. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I've already kind of started to lock in some profits going into the weekend. Nothing huge, but at the same time, I'm feeling like we could be getting a pullback here. So on that note, let's say we do get a pullback. I would consider a pullback, getting some closes below our 20-day simple moving average, which is this red line. And if we do pull back, ideally and hopefully we don't go any or drop any less than this level right here, where we had this group of previous highs. I'm going to change that to green because we are hoping this will be a good support level. This level is right around 2320, give or take. I'm estimating that. But like I said, this had been a previous resistance, and then when it was broken here, you can see the price skyrocketed up. But this is going to be a support where I would not be surprised to see it at least get tested if this negative divergence kicks in and we start to get a pullback here. If this support level cannot hold, then look for the 50-day simple moving average, this purple line, to get tested, currently valued at 2277, but this is a dynamic one, meaning it changes with time, so it won't be at this exact level, but it'll be down around this area. So those are the two areas of supports that I'll be looking at. If the price gets down here and starts to hover around, that's where I may start to go and nibble on long positions again. And if it continues down, try to nibble on some more here and bring my averages down. But I'm not looking to go long anything right now. When I see this negative divergence here with the sideways price action, it just tells me at least to kind of chill out on adding to any long positions and seeing if we can get any pullbacks. it's no reason to go and sell all your long positions, 100% of them. Maybe take some profits off the table and try to buy them back cheaper. But in my opinion, this is definitely not the time to be going and adding to your long positions, because within the next few weeks you may be able to get them cheaper with this negative divergence, coming into play if it does. So we'll just kind of have to sit back and see what happens. Maybe nothing will come of this. Maybe we'll get a huge volume day, a nice green candle that will bust up through this negative divergence, and that will no longer be the case. But until that happens, I'm going to be playing on the side of caution. If there are any other questions on the NASDAQ or any of the other market charts, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting really good reviews, and then through newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, no strings attached, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to check it out. One last time, this was the NASDAQ, and let me know if you have any questions, and everybody enjoy the 3-day weekend.